I forgot to show you this part of it. This is one of the cool things about this car. Pull this little handle here. Pop the hood. I never had a car that did this. Of course, this is way before my time. But this hood will pop left or right. So, anyways, I got in there, worked the wires, and worked on the motor a little bit, get all the leaks to stop. I need to change the oil in it. I got new antifreeze in it yesterday. But anyways, this is a straight 8. Buick used these things for quite a few years. I think until the early 50s when they came out with a V8. But yeah, she's good and strong. Pretty sweet. Anyways, I'll upload this on there, and well, I got things I need to do today. Like I said, this is Anthony signing off, and Merry Christmas to you. I hope you have a great one. Bye.